How healthy is your business? How would you even know? All businesses are unique and each needs to monitor different KPIs. We strive to provide the answers you need so that you can be as effective as possible. We achieve this by creating bespoke spreadsheets to produce the information that you need to succeed. These reports will automatically calculate based on data that you can enter manually or copy and paste from another source. We use this method to create any of the following solutions: CRM, project management, management dashboards, process tracking solutions, data analysis, financial reporting, scheduling and planners, and many more. We offer 3 solution types: bespoke spreadsheets, which are made specifically for you, prime spreadsheets, which are comprehensive ready-made spreadsheets, and our basic range, which is simple, low-cost spreadsheets. If you would like to get the unique answers for your business, get in touch.